Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will check, clean and show you about the following mini cars here. So now let's check with me from this one first. Firstly, I have to put some water. Okay, now I bring one and show you. Police car, green police car, yellow color. Super motorbike, 4 wheels, super motorbike. How about this one? Super police, supercar, police supercar, white color. Logistic truck. How about this one? Ladder truck, mini ladder truck, red color. Four wheels, super motorbike. Okay everybody, let's move to another one. Mini bulldozer. Hero Batman. How about this one? Mini airplane. Supercar, green color. How about this one everybody? Monster truck, mini monster truck. Okay everybody, let's move to another one. Mini airplane. I don't know its name. If you know, please write down. About this one. Cute super motorbike, green color. Hero Spider-Man, red color. Cement mixer truck. Bulldozer. Excavator, mini excavator. About this one, police car, green color. Mobil Truk. Forklift. How about this one everybody? Hero Iron Man, red color. Everyone, let's move forward so we can see another interesting truck. Now let me check. Cement mixer truck. Bulldozer. Police super motorbike. Cute excavator, mini excavator, cute color. Monster truck, mini monster truck, a nice mini monster truck. Green car, this is also a racing car. This is also a supercar, green color. Monster truck. Police super motorbike. How about this one? Ambulance. Ambulance, everybody. Okay everyone, thank you for watching this video. If you love my video, please let me know by comment, like, and especially don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So now, thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye. Good luck. Don't forget to enjoy your day. Be happy every time, everywhere.